Molecules containing pi bonds are more reactive. So these are the important differences between sigma bond and pi bond.
So, what is the exact difference between free rotation and localized, sir?
Localized means 1 minute. Already told you, Banga. Listen.
Fixed.
Carbon, single bond, carbon. This is butane. Butane. Carbon, double bond, carbon, single bond. This is 1,3-butadiene. 1,3-butadiene. Butane. Single bond. It cannot move, always fixed. Because of resonance, pi bond may be shifted here. This may be shifted alternate. Okay. This is localized. This is delocalized. Clear? And rotation. Carbon, single bond carbon. Maximum valency of carbon is 4. 4. First carbon, second carbon. Carbon, double bond carbon. H, 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 H. If you fix this one, 1, 2, 3, in the beginning, H, first hydrogen, second, third. If you fix this one, if you rotate this one, positions of these may be changed. That is called conformational isomerism. Isomerism due to free rotation of carbon single bond carbon called conformational isomers, and that phenomena is called conformational isomerism. Because of presence of double bond, strong. This is strong. Triple bond. See, carbon, triple bond, carbon stronger than double bond. And it is very strong bond. Free rotation is not possible. That's why carbon single bond carbon compounds containing carbon single bond carbon shows conformation isomerism is giving the free rotation about carbon single bond carbon. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
And with this total syllabus for UT, everything is completed from NCERT book, Akash book, and everything is completed. Now some important heading. Previous NEET questions. Previous NEET questions. Previous NEET questions. First question, listen to me. In the structure of SnCl2, in the structure of SnCl2, number of lone pairs and the number of bond pairs. That's it only. In the structure of stannous chloride, SnCl2, number of lone pairs and the number of bond pairs are. Tell me. Check your knowledge. Show your confidence. These type of questions are most important. You should learn. Should practice.
One lone pair,
two bond pairs.
two bond pairs.
Lone pair.
One lone pair.
Very good. Super.
Two bond pairs.
C. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. All these elements belong to fourth group in the last form of the periodic table. So tin, 4 valence electrons. Out of 4, 2 electrons involved in bond formation. Remaining 2. C. In the formation of single covalent bond, each atom contributes only 1 electron. So Dotted electron belongs to tin. Cross electron belongs to chlorine. 1, 2, 3, 4. These two are bond pairs. One bond pair. Okay. Next.
So I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
When we consider the lone pairs and bond pairs, why only to consider for stannum, sir? We can consider for chlorine also. No, total means only on the central atom means like one we should guess also.
Whole central atom, Ray.
Okay, sir. While considering not for total compound.
I have to see. Generally, octet rule consider only central atom. Okay.
Okay,
Suppose
sir.
if they ask, particularly if they ask total number of lone pairs means again on chlorine. How many lone pairs?
7.
3. 3. 3
Six
plus
plus
3 plus
one,
1, 7. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. In HgCl2, mercuric chloride. Later I will dictate question. First try to understand. In mercuric chloride on central mercury, total number of lone pairs and bond pairs.
No lone pairs.
Why?
Because its configuration is 4s2. S2, sir, outermost configuration. So one it donates to one, it bonds with this one Cl, and other one it will bond with another Cl. So lone pairs are 0.
Bond
Am I
pairs.
correct?
Yes, sir.
HgC. See, in the long form of the periodic table, simple. In the long form of the periodic table, zinc, cadmium, mercury belongs to second B group. Second B. Only 2 valence electrons out of 2. Both are involved in bond formation. No bond pairs or no lone pairs. 2 bond pairs. Note down. First. In SnCl2 structure, in statements only, not options and everything time based. In SnCl2 structure, number of lone pairs 1, number of bond pairs 2. If you want, write structure also. Sn. This one. These two are bond pairs, lone pair. After completion of SnCl2, note down. In the structure of HgCl2, in the structure of HgCl2, number of lone pairs and number of bond pairs. In the structure of HgCl2, number of lone pairs and number of bond pairs. Number of lone pairs 0. Number of bond pairs 2. Number of lone pairs 0. Number of bond pairs. Now, tell me. BF2, LIF. Anion is same. Cation is different. They gave a statement. Tell me true or false. BF2 is more ionic than LIF. True or false?
False.
Huh?
False.
Right.
Lithium is a larger atom.
more size and charge.
Very good. B plus 2, F minus. Li plus.
F minus.
Anion is same. Cation different. Uni positive. Di positive. Greater the positive charge on cation. Greater the positive charge on cation, more will be the polarizing power of cation. More the polarizing power of cation, more will be the covalent character. So correct statement is a BF2. Sorry. BF2 is more covalent than LIF is third statement. This is the wrong statement. Right? This one. BF2 is more covalent than BF2 is more covalent than LIF. BF2 is more covalent than LIF due to reason also I will tell due to more polarizing power of Be plus 2 due to more polarizing power of Be plus 2. See, this is Ames question. LIF K2O ClF3 SO2 N2. These are the structures given, molecules given. Arrange all these in increasing order or decreasing order of ionic nature. See, N triple bond N, covalent bond is formed between two similar atoms. Yes, covalent bond is formed between two similar atoms. Electronegativity difference is 0. Yes, electronegativity difference is 0. Percentage of ionic character is 0. Percentage of ionic character 0 means what about percentage of covalent character?
100%.
100%. So this is percentage ionic nature, order of ionic nature. Not order of ionic nature. These are the compounds given. Order of ionic nature. LIF is more than.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
So among LIF and K2O, potassium has more size but more charge compared to LIF, no sir? Which should we consider like size or charge among both?
Not Bengali.
Yes, polarizing power.
LIF, KF. When cation is same, cation
KF is more ionic.
KF is more ionic.
Yes, sir.
Option is there. F minus ion, O minus. Greater the charge on anion, more is the covalent character, less is ionic nature. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Apply
Yes.
will say.
No, sir, I was having doubt between lithium and potassium.
Sir, there is a doubt for ClF.
Anion, cation, both are different.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Very
Sir,
good.
ClF3 has more charge, no, sir, in general, compared to SO2. Why can't it be earlier than SO2, sir? Like it is more covalent.
Electronegativity difference between these two is more when compared to electronegativity.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Different concepts. Different concepts.
Sir, other than electronegativity, is there any other concept we can use here?
No. Generally, polarity or ionic nature always depends upon electronegativity difference. If electronegativity difference is safe, go to Padan's books. Okay?
Okay.
Now, statement number 1. 100% covalent bond exists. Statement 2. 100% ionic bond exists.
Second is false.
Statement 2 is
Ionic bond is linear. Tell me, first statement true or false?
True, sir.
True.
100% covalent bond can exist because percentage of ionic character 16 into electron negativity difference 3.5 into electron negative difference square. If a covalent bond is formed between two similar atoms, difference 0, 0, everything will be 0. Percentage of ionic character 0. Covalent character 100.
100%.
Yes. 100% ionic bond exists or false?
False.
Never possible. Never possible. 100% ionic bond never exists. Next, ionic bond is linear, true or false?
False. False.
Non-directional.
Very
Ionic
good.
bond is not.
Ionic bond is non-directional. Ionic bond linear. Wrong. Copy this 3. 100% covalent bond exists. 100% covalent bond exists. True. 100% ionic bond exists. False. Ionic bond linear. Wrong. Because ionic bond is non-directional.
Non-directional.
Tell me. Next question. Come on. SnCl4, SnCl2. Stannous chloride. Stannic chloride. Stannous chloride. Stannic chloride. Which is more covalent in nature?
Stannous.
This is more covalent. This is more covalent than its one.
Due to
Cl.
larger charge.
Sn plus 4. Cl minus. Stannous. Sn plus 2. Cl minus. Anion is same. Cation different. Tetra positive. Di positive. Greater the positive charge on cation, more is the polarizing power. More the polarizing power of cation, more will be its covalent nature. So SnCl4 is more covalent than SnCl2 due to greater polarizing power of Sn plus 4. Correct. Note down. SnCl4 is SnCl4 is more covalent than SnCl4 is more covalent than SnCl2 due to greater polarizing power of Sn plus 4. Due to greater polarizing power of Sn plus 4. Next one. Steric center. This is not given in NCERT group and Harvard group. They asked a question in AIMS exam. Steric center. We know, but not given in textbook. Correct. Steric center is equal to number of bond pairs plus number of lone pairs on central atom. Steric center, number of lone pairs plus number of bond pairs. Methane, CH4. Methane, CH4. Ammonia, NH3. One lone pair. Out of 5 of ammonia, out of 5 of nitrogen, Only 3 are involved in bond formation. Out of 6 of oxygen, only 2 are involved. Remaining 2 donor pairs. What I told you, in any molecule, steric center means sum of number of bond pairs and number of lone pairs. Methane, lone pairs 0, bond pairs 4. Ammonia, lone pairs 1, bond pairs 3, lone pairs 2, bond pairs 2, 4. Copy. Steric center is equal. Steric center is equal number of bond pairs plus number of lone pairs. Number of lone pairs plus number of bond pairs. Sum of steric center. To copy it. Example. Last question. Is completed?
Yes, sir.
Time almost completed. Last question. 1 minute.
So 1 minute.
Note down. Total number of electrons present on sulfur of sulfuric acid is total number of electrons present on sulfur of HSO4 is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. Copy. Everybody. Structure of sulfuric acid. H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Around max valence of sulfur 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 2 ja 12. Superoctane. Sulfuric acid, not cobalt octet theory. Very good concept. Completed?
Sir, one day will you tell us that how to frame, like if they give a formula of that particular compound and we should write, like if we have to write its structure, would you explain how would we have to do that?
Okay, later will get time completed, Bangari. Time completed.
Yes, sir, whenever you are free itself.
Okay, bye. Time. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank you.